There's four main types of trading. Today we're going to talk about those. What's up, you guys? It's Keith from Stock Hours here, back again with another educational video. Today we're going to be going over the four main types of trading and which is most beneficial for you. We're going to go through these from shortest term to longest term. The first type is what we do, and it's called scalping. The second is day trading. The third is swing trading. And the fourth is long-term investing. So I'm going to go ahead and break down what each of these are and what the benefits and cons of each of these might be for you. So first we'll start with scalping. Scalping is what I prefer to do, and it's what Stock Hours does on a daily basis. Scalping, we benefit on the short-term pops and dips in price, and we profit on that from the very quick incremental moves on the contract premiums. A pro about this is your money stays in your pocket the majority of the time. You don't have your money out there in the market going up and down every single day. Another pro of this is that it provides daily income, as opposed to something where your money's tied up for a long period of time. You can't just withdraw it. You can't use any of that money because you have it locked away in a stock. The big benefit from that is you're liquid at all points in time, except maybe for a few minutes at the very beginning of the day. One con of this, which you can also look at as a pro, is it's very volatile. So you have to be very on top of your game and very educated whenever you're making these trades. It takes a lot of discipline and it takes a lot of consistency to be profitable with scalping. So next we're gonna go to day trading. Day trading is still a fairly short time frame. Some people may even classify scalping and day trading as the same. But where they're different is day trading, you'll usually find a stock that you're either expecting it to go up on the day or down on the day, and you take your trades very close to the open and you hold throughout the entirety of that day and sell before the day closes. While they may sound like the same thing, there are very technical differences between scalping and day trading. Like I said, scalping is anywhere between 1 second to 5 to 10 minutes. Generally, anything over 10 to 15 minutes I would count as a day trade. Regardless, the same rules apply. Just like the PDT rule, where you can only make a certain amount of day trades through the week, or you can only use up a certain amount of buying power, everything still applies between scalping and day trading. You have to be disciplined, you have to know what you're doing, and you have to be very educated to be profitable in either of these two styles of trading. Now, a con to day trading is whenever you're locked into a day trade, it can go very far against you if you let it. This is why you have to have your stop losses in place. But as the same pros apply with scalping and day trading, the same cons apply as well. The only added con that I see towards day trading is that it's much easier to capitalize on a very short move than it is trying to predict what the whole day is going to do. Because with scalping, we don't try and predict what's going to happen. We just react to what the market is giving us. Next, we'll move on to swing trading. Swing trading is when you take a trade and you hold it for minimum over 1 day. So you hold it for a full market period. Anything after that, you can consider it a swing trade. People take 2-day, 3-day, 4-day, 5-day swing trades. Some people take monthly swing trades. Some people take weekly swing trades. Regardless, these are when you're looking to profit over a larger time frame and a larger time period of stock's movement. The pros with swing trading is you don't have to be as present in the market because you're generally buying further out expiration date contracts, so you don't have to be super involved every single day, every single morning. So maybe if you have a job that you work full time, but you're trying to get into trading, maybe you'll try swing trading. This is where a lot of people see a benefit from swing trading, is if they don't want to put in the time and the work every single day and have to show up and be present and mentally focused all throughout the morning, you'll generally see them look towards swing trading. Now, personally, looking at swing trading, you're going to sacrifice some of the volatility by buying further out expiration date contracts. With this, though, the contracts will be more expensive. The percentages that they move is just not going to be as much. So it's much more difficult to swing trade with a small account balance starting out than it would be if you had a large amount of money already. Because if you're trying to swing trade with a small amount of money, you might not even be able to afford the contracts that are 2, 3, 4 weeks out. So the pros of swing trading, you don't have to be present every single day. You don't have to be focused in the mornings every single day. You don't have to have your whole morning blocked every single day. You can check up on your positions whenever you feel like. It's not as physically or mentally demanding. You see a lot of people that swing trade just enter and exit positions through their phone, which is something I would absolutely never recommend doing with scalping or day trading. And like I said, cons with swing trading are gonna be that the barrier to entry is a little bit higher when it comes to the money side of it. And personally, it's a lot more difficult to predict where a stock's gonna go over a long period of time. Now, long-term investing is when you see people that are basically just investing into ETFs, stocks, anything like that. These are the types of trades that you'll see a retirement plan have. So at your job, if you have a retirement plan set up, generally they'll have an option where you can invest into a stock or you can invest back into your own company to provide you some sort of return on your retirement. Going by the SEC's rules and the IRS's rules, these are investments that are generally a minimum of 6 months long. Anything after that, obviously you would count that as a long-term investment. The majority of the times when you're gonna see people benefit off of this is, like I said, either if your company is already having a portion of your checks automatically invested over a 10, 20, 30-year span, and when you're ready to retire, you'll have access to these funds, whether you wanna keep them locked into the investments, whether you wanna withdraw them, sell your position, you can sell partials of your position. By this point in time, you should have a large amount of shares built up. So that would be where people benefit from long-term investing. The cons of long-term investing is obviously it's not gonna be able to provide daily income. You're not gonna be liquid at any point in time unless you sell your full position, which at that point, your stake in that company is completely gone. And also the barrier to entry money-wise, if you wanna make any decent returns, is going to be a lot. So for example, if you start with a $2,000 account and you're scalping options every day, you have the possibility to make returns on a daily basis. You can start out making anywhere from $100 to $200 a day versus if you have $2,000 and you're investing into a stock, it may take a year for you to see a $200 profit on a good year. So that would be another con of long-term investing. Another pro is that it's a lot less risky than any type of trading, whether it's scalping, day trading, swing trading, anything like that. Long-term investing in the right companies and in the right ETFs is going to be a lot less risky overall, as long as the market continues on the trend that it has been. So I hope this helped you guys out figuring out which type of trading is going to work best for you. If you're interested in learning how to scalp or day trade options, make sure that you DM me, DM somebody on the Stock Hours page. If you're interested in learning how to scalp or day trade options, make sure that you click the link below, join the free Discord, and make sure you click the link below, join the free Discord, and learn from us, people who do it every day. So I hope this helped you guys out. Thanks for watching. Peace.